one tablespoon. We're gonna get. This is half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna put 4. We need 2 tablespoons. So that's 1. And then that's 2 tablespoons. We're gonna give it a good mix. Okay, now we're gonna move on. Here, we're gonna need this glue. My sister's gonna pour all this glue in this bowl. A cup of water. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of shaving cream. This is shaving cream, guys. Okay, I might need a spoon.
Yeah, you no, okay.
I'm gonna mix with this spoon too, so want to put some in there? Okay. Gonna need 3 cups of shaving cream.
So that's 2 already.
2.
Now we're gonna need
One more.
one more. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Oh. Okay, there we go. This is all the shaving cream we're gonna need.
So
Now
we're
We're gonna get this tablespoon.
and put
We're gonna put saline solution 4 times with half a tablespoon, so technically 2 tablespoons.
Yeah.
But we have half a tablespoon, so that's why I'm gonna put 4. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna get the borax. So the borax that we got at first,
Right there.
yeah. Mix it.
Now
Okay, my sister's gonna mix that. I'm gonna mix sure the borax as well. Gonna mix it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon at a time. I'm gonna mix it.
And then you have to wait a while, and then you're gonna put more.
And then I'm gonna put 1 more. And then 1 more. Okay. Now with this bowl, if you want to mix it with your hands, it's okay. So you could take all that off. Here you go.
Leave it there.
Mix it. Now you just need to mix it for a while, play with it for a while, and then it should become fluffy slime.
Yeah.
And now grabbing it.
To the sides.
Yeah, guys. So this is the slime. Once you're done mixing it a while, it should be like this.
Yeah.
Slime.
Now it's like really.
It's very fluffy. Yeah, it's stretchy and stuff. And so yeah, you guys could also add food coloring, but we
Yeah,
just didn't add food
Yeah,
coloring.
because
We wanted a white
we like
one.
it. We like it.
We wanted it white.
Yeah.
So yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is how you make it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.